Right, it's a line. Find the equation of the line. Equation of a straight line. We're thinking about y equals mx plus c, which represents a straight line. So what we need to do is work out the value of m, the gradient, and the c, the intercept, the y-axis intercept. Okay, right there. All right, let's work at the gradient. To work at the gradient, how steep, gradient means steepness, how steep this line is, what you can do is draw a right angle triangle, any size right angle triangle, under this line. So if I do it here, for example, I don't have to do it here, but I've done it now. Right, look, that's a right angle triangle. Right, to work at the gradient, we need to know how many across it is. 1 across, 3 up. Right, the gradient of this is 3 divided by 1. Okay, 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Or if you like, rise, look, rise over run. 3 divided by 1 is 3. That's the gradient. There's another way to work at the, look, you can make draw a bigger triangle. It doesn't really matter. Look, I've drawn a bigger triangle, and I can show you that the gradient is still going to be 3. Right, it's 2 across that way, and it's 6 on the rise. Okay, rise over run. 6 divided by 2 is 3. It's also 3. So the gradient is 3. Right, the gradient is 3. Now, okay, just going to put the 3 here. There, that's 3. Right, the gradient is not 3x. When somebody asks for the gradient, some people say 3x. It's not. The gradient is just 3. It's a number. Right, the intercept, the c, right? Where does this line, this black line, cross the y-axis over here, this thick y-axis? Where does it cross it? So if you keep going, right, it's right there. See, right there. That black line crosses the y-axis right here. So c is -6. That's the answer. Look, that's the equation. That's the equation of that line there. Right. Just for you to know, if the line is going that way, any steepness going that way is going to have a negative gradient. All right, so if I had a line, for example, going like that, all right, something like that, what I then do is draw a triangle underneath it, any size triangle, any size right angle triangle. That's the rise, that's the run. Rise divided by run, 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But the gradient is not 1, it's actually m is equal to -1 because it's going downhill. If it's going downhill, it's going to have a negative gradient.